A day in my life as a late student nga po siya capability na late because of the haircutability. So guys, I'm on my way my school waiting for my Maxim. And yeah, naabot ng Maxim. Wala na ako gi-record si kuya kay mas haggard pa siya na ko. Charot. Wala ako gi-record si kuya kay it's because wala lang. Magdali man ko magbuot ang inners. And yes, I'm on my way at my school, which is from University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue. And I'm a maritime student. Yeah, face card declines. Oh, ang pogi footing inability. Napaka-pugi naman yan. Shy rebellion. And guys, so for traffic ability sa Cebu City, it's because pagpupamanggod na human ang sinulog. Yeah. Yan na. Hug ko si kuya away. Napakadali lang. Hey guys, mood check yan. And guys, malapit na akong makarating sa school namin. And yeah, wait for my arrival. Shareability. And wala na ako nag-record pag sulod na ko kay because nagdali ko guys, late na kay ko. I'm so for late. Hala, dagat! And guys, mag-courtesy dyan ng mga maritime, but wala na ako nag-courtesy kay naman si sir nga sulod na lang daw ko. So, go ability. Ayan na, natulog. O pag nagsulod ng klase. Shit. My spirit is spit, senyor. Pit, senyor. Pit, senyor. Anong mga tawa man? What's the funny? What's the funny? What's funny? Shit, ability. So, ayan guys. This is our last subject before our lunchtime and it's a wrap. Shit. First day na mo ni sulod nga nag-uniform guys. Ako nag-record pa doong lugsong guys kay ang elevator grabe ka puno. So I record myself na lang nagsakay sa tricycle. So I'm going home na. Thanks for watching Babu Shabelleri. Bye guys.